Who's that? Hi. Hi, honey. Hi, sweeties. Hi, love. That's one of the males. This is the other male. And the girl is right here. Hi, baby. I'll start purring probably. Oh, Bubba. You gonna purr? Oh. What, baby? Do you hear the purring? Oh, she's a baby girl. Say, I'll be up for adoption next week at Murphers. I mean, we're all gonna get spayed and neutered on Tuesday on the Catmobile. Yeah. You too? Yeah. Can I get you purring? Oh. Oh, there we go. There we go. Mr. Purr Monster. Mr. Purr Monster. And then the other brother's a little scared. You gonna purr too? Mm-hmm. What? What? What, baby? He's so cute. He's so cute.